Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this series of videos, we are going to learn different topics in this. So in the previous video, we have learned about the project overview, the login page and the dashboard. So let's get into the second part of this video. So in this video, now we are going to learn about the dashboard Kotlin logic. Let's dive into the dashboard activity where we handle the core banking logic, private work balance. We declare a class level variable to store the user's balance, starting with some given example as samplers data. So TV balance, we get a reference to the balance text view from our XML layout, just like we did in the login screen. So the dollar symbol balance, this displays the balance on screen. Notice that the double dollar, the first dollar escapes, so we can show a literal dollar sign, and the second displays the variable value. Find view my button, which on click listener we attach a click listener uh, directly to the transfer button without storing it in a variable. This is a concise way to handle button clicks. So balance is equal to 100 when transfer is clicked. So we deduct $100 from the balance. So this is how you can see in my uh, you can see on my screen the screenshot. So we update the display with new balance immediately. Those dot make text, this we show a temporary message confirming the transfer. Toasters are perfect for quick user feedback. So the key concepts in this slide is we demonstrate state management. We are updating the data which is balance and immediate reflecting the change in the UI. So going to the next one, Android manifest configuration. See, the Android manifest .xml is like the blueprint of our application. It tells Android about our all components and how they connect. So declares our main activity, which is the login screen. The dot means it's in our main package. Android.exported is equal to true, which means this allows other applications to launch this activity. For launcher activities, we should be true. So you can see in my screenshot, this is very crucial. It defines how activities can be started. Action Android name, android.intent.action, which is in the main, marks this as an the main entry point of our application. Category android.name, android.intent.category launcher, which makes this activity appear in the application launcher. Activity.android name dot dashboard activity, which declares our dashboard activity. Dot no intent filter means it can only be started from within our application. Why this matters? So without proper manifest declaration, our activities won't work. The main or the launcher combination is what makes an application icon appear on the home screen. Going to the next one, which is the balance details layout. This is where we create a detailed professional looking balance screen that will really impress our professors. So we use XML comments to organize our code. This makes it easier to understand. So that's all in this video. In this video we have learned about the dashboard how to make the dashboard page and the configuration, and what are the balance details. So this is the last video for this series of making a secure application. If you have any questions, please comment. If you like this content, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.